While most investors focus on mature property markets, Poland is quietly enjoying its latest phase of rapid development. Europe's fastest growing economy, rising property values, housing undersupply, and now a major investment hotspot. Just outside Warsaw, a new opportunity is emerging. Introducing Mostki, a premium residential resort surrounded by nature, designed for affluent modern living. Private lake, luxury spa, paddle courts, concierge services, over 70% green space, and just 20 minutes from Port Polska, one of the largest infrastructure projects in Central Europe, where a new international airport and transport hub will drive employment, connectivity, and long-term domestic residential demand across the region. The opportunity has been structured for international investors, prices that start from under £90,000, with a choice of 3 attractive payment structures: secure government-backed escrow accounts, a fixed 10% net yield for 2 years once completed, and long-term exposure to one of Europe's fastest-growing property markets. If you would like to find out more, register to request full details ahead of the wider market release exclusively from Leading Investment Group.